Igor Bogdanov on X posted that the one-day manager of the largest Insta360 store in Shenzhen showed off the white Luna. Well, that's more interesting than all the hype surrounding the Avatar 360. Insta360 has become one of the most talked about brands in the world of action cameras and 360-degree imaging. From humble beginnings to leading innovations, the company continues to push boundaries. Among the most intriguing products in its lineup is the Insta360 LUNA. This camera has started making waves among creators, tech enthusiasts, and professional videographers because it represents a step forward in how we capture depth, motion, and immersive visuals. At Insta360's annual company meeting, the CEO briefly unveiled a mysterious new camera. It was only a fleeting glimpse, but that short reveal instantly sparked both excitement and curiosity. Everyone wanted to know what this device could do, yet the details remained tantalizingly vague. Later, Igor Bogdanov shared clearer images and additional information on X, giving us a more concrete idea of what this camera might be. Initially, many people assumed the features belonged to the Pocket 4 Pro. That assumption spread quickly online, fueling rumors and speculation. However, it soon became evident that this was not the case. An apology was issued to correct the misunderstanding. This video, and the coverage around it, now exists primarily to clear up the confusion and address the questions that have been building ever since the first reveal. Shortly after the initial teaser, X Drone Studio released a video that looked impressively real and convincing. A few days later, another version appeared, sharper and cleaner, showing more of the camera in use. Yet even in these clips, the camera body itself was deliberately blurred while being held in hand. You could clearly see the operator's movements and how the device was handled, but the hardware design remained intentionally obscured. This doesn't seem accidental, it feels very deliberate. The company appears to be demonstrating that the camera works without revealing its full design, a strategy that keeps the mystery alive while hinting at serious capabilities. Even without a complete reveal, the footage gives strong hints about the camera's potential. Portrait shots show impressive depth separation, and the background blur resembles what you'd expect from larger professional sensors. This implies that the Luna could house a powerful sensor paired with advanced image processing technology. As for design, no clear modular structure has been revealed so far. If modularity is a key aspect of the Luna system, it hasn't been showcased yet. This could indicate that the company is saving some features for a larger, more dramatic unveiling later. Rumored specifications suggest the camera is capable of 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, with 10-bit color support for smoother slow-motion footage and better dynamic range. Stabilization could be handled by a 3-axis AI-powered gimbal, which may also assist with subject tracking. Built-in AI tools are expected to help with automatic tracking and fast editing workflows. Battery life is said to reach around 180 minutes with a 1,500 mAh cell, featuring USB-C charging, a rotating touchscreen, and optional ND filter support. Igor also hinted at a dual lens system, a wide-angle primary camera paired with a secondary telephoto lens capable of up to 3 times true optical zoom. The camera may automatically switch between lenses depending on zoom level, while still offering full manual control when desired. Processing is another area that could set the Luna apart. The camera is rumored to feature a dual processor setup. A primary chip handles main image processing, while a secondary pre-ISP chip pre-cleans raw data to reduce noise and balance brightness. A dedicated light sensor continuously monitors the environment, applying full enhancement in low-light conditions while skipping unnecessary processing in bright situations. Overall, the Insta360 LUNA remains partially shrouded in mystery, but what has been revealed so far suggests a camera that combines advanced hardware, intelligent AI processing, and professional-level imaging features. It's clear that Insta360 is building anticipation carefully, giving us just enough information to excite enthusiasts while keeping the most impressive elements under wraps.